Some holidays to look out for on May 24th. Firstly, it's National Brothers Day. You love them, you hate them, they can often be your nemesis, especially when they poke fun at you in front of your crush. But we know that when push comes to shove, they've got our backs. Even if they'd never admit it, brothers love each other deeply. May 24th is also Aviation Maintenance Technician Day, a day to celebrate the unsung heroes behind the scenes who make air travel possible. While we often thank pilots and flight attendants, it's the tireless work done on the ground by these heroes that ensures aircrafts are safe and airworthy, letting us reach our destinations without a problem. Finally, it's National Asparagus Day. This day shines a spotlight on the nutrient-packed and incredibly versatile vegetable that's become a staple in many kitchens. So, let's get dinner started and remember to include a healthy helping of this delectable veggie to reap its nutritious goodness. Thanks for watching. Check out other dates to discover more holidays that are on the horizon.
This is National Today.